Presenting the Samsung Galaxy M21 2021 edition smartphone. This product comes in charcoal black color. It is also available in Arctic blue color. It has 4 variants with different memory storage. 4 GB RAM with 64 GB storage in color charcoal black and Arctic blue. 6 GB RAM with 128 GB storage in color charcoal black and Arctic blue. The phone comes with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory, which is expandable up to 512 GB. The phone comes with a dual SIM slot along with a micro SD card slot. The Samsung M21 has a 6.4-inch with Full HD Plus Super AMOLED Infinity U-Cut display with 60 Hz refresh rate. It features 420 nits high brightness mode for bright, smooth and clear viewing experience. It is protected by Gorilla Glass 3. The phone comes with 48 megapixel plus 8 megapixel plus 5 megapixel triple camera setup, which is segregated as primary, ultra-wide and depth camera at the back. The aperture ranges from f2.0 to f2.2. It also has 20 megapixel front camera. It is powered by One UI Core 3.1 on Android 11.0 operating system with Exynos 9611 octa-core processor. The phone comes with one lithium-ion battery with a power rate of 6000 mAh. The box includes the handset, 15-watt fast charging adapter, SIM tray ejector, USB cable and the user manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. Pay online using debit or credit card and net banking. For EMI options, replacement policy and further information, visit the product detail page.